Good morning, guys. I'm Seamus from Healthy Moosi Marketing, and I just want to congratulate you if you've set your intention to follow through with this 10-day funnel course. If you're from South Africa, you'll know what load shedding is and understand that I'm dealing with gremlins at the moment, waiting for the power to come back on at 12. So if you've looked at the course material today, you'll see there's a lot of information. This course is going to grow as it goes, and if you have any feedback or anything that you want me to go into more detail about, please drop me a message, DM me, or send me an email at healthymoosi@gmail.com, and please join my subscriber list so that you can get a reminder for the next day's course and all of the links to support material and anything else that may be coming up to do with the course. So good luck with day one of the Build Your Funnel workshop, and drop me a line if you have anything that you want me to explain in more detail, and stay tuned because I will be posting videos doing walkthroughs of the content as the course progresses. You can find me on all the social media channels. Just subscribe and then you won't miss anything that I'm putting out there. Have a fantastic day.